my first website, which came to the top of Google and is a Mexican band website, I hadn't expected to reach the top page of Google, but I reached the top page of Google with my free website. So it was slike2.wixsite.com/Los Cucaroos at first. You could actually start with a free website, and if you did SEO very well, you would end up on the top page of Google as a free website if you wanted to do that. It is possible to get there. But I've done some research and I've found that actually getting into the .com position of whatever your website is makes Google think that you're a very legitimate company and a very legitimate website. So you can start to rank higher just from automatically connecting your domain name to your website and starting with that. So what I'm first going to do is, since I already have my domain name, I'm going to go ahead and connect my domain and start accruing SEO value from Google. So I'm going to upgrade now to connect to domain. So there's a couple of options in terms of plans here, and depending on what your needs are, you should have a look around and see what makes most sense for whatever your business is. Now, you can start off with the lowest plan, which is what I'm going to start with. I'm just going to do the Connect Domain plan. And as time goes by, you can upgrade your plan and change to a different plan. I think as well, if you wanted, you could downgrade your plan. So for now, I'm just going to start off with a yearly plan for the Connect Domain plan. And I'm going to go ahead and purchase this plan.